Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will make small bag with a pattern. So I have here two yarns, blue and black. So we will create a stitch and then do or make a 15 stitches. Just continue making 15 stitches. So there. So I have here 15 stitches. Now do a single crochet. So you will make a single crochet until the end of the first row. So I made a single crochet and then turn over your work and then do chain one and do again a single crochet for the second row. Continue doing single crochet until the end of the second row. Now here's the end of the row. Now we will proceed to the third row, and this time again chain one and then do a single crochet again for the third row. Just continue until the end of the third row. Now, so we will change the color, but it depends to you if you want to change it or not. But I have here two colors, so I just want to change it blue, so I can give a simple design. So now we will make a double crochet. You will put the double crochet on the first row of your single crochet, so it can make a simple pattern. So now after double crochet, make a single crochet, then another single crochet for the next stitch. Do again a double crochet on the fourth stitch. So you will make this one alternately, double crochet, single crochet, and then another single crochet, then double crochet. So just continue this pattern. So we have make double crochet and then next single crochet and then another single crochet, then double crochet. So this is the end of the fourth row. Just do a single crochet at the end of the fourth row, then we will continue for the fifth row. So it should be like this. So now we will proceed chain one and then turn over your work, then do single crochet. So you will make single crochet until the end of the fifth row. just continue doing single crochet until the 6th and 7th row. So now for the 8th row, so I'll make single crochet for the first stitch, and then you will make double crochet. It should be aligned on your first, it should be aligned on the first double crochet that you made. So now we will do again the pattern of the double crochet and single crochet this time. So this time you will make a slip stitch, then chain 1, you will make again a double crochet, and then slip stitch, then chain 1. So you will make repeating this pattern until you make a 12 row of double crochet like this. So you will do this alternately, black, blue, but it depends to you if you want to change the color. We've already created a 12 row. So, but this one is depending on the length. If you wanted to add more, so you can add more. So this time I will close the bag. So I will stitch on the sides. So here just stitch by using a single crochet. Just continue doing single crochet until you close your bag. So here it is. So we're ready to close the other side, and let's proceed to the other side. Do the same, just do the single crochet just to close it. So now we will proceed to the lace of our bag. So we'll just make a single crochet. So you will do single crochet 3 in 3 stitches consecutively. So turn over your work, then do single crochet. Just 1, 2, then chain 1, turn over again, then another single crochet. Just continue doing this until you get your desired length of your lace.
So it's already done. So I have already a lace, and then to attach it to the other side, just do a single crochet again, but this time you will make a slip stitch, then chain one, then single crochet again, then slip stitch. So here it is, guys, already done the small bag. You can use this one for your cell phone to carry on. Thank you guys, I hope you like it, and then see you on my next vlog. Thank you.